Hey beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna show exactly what I did and what I do, and when I have any problems related to crashing, launching issues in any game, this is what this is what I do. So I really hope it's gonna work for you, and so you can you can enjoy the game. It's a fantastic game, but it's very annoying when you have this kind of problems. You pay the game, you paid for the game, but you can't play the game because of the crashing issues. So make sure you guys you watch this until the very end. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate if you subscribe for daily tutorials. This will help me a lot. So make sure you subscribe. And now let's jump right in the video. So the first method, and it's very important, is to just ensure you have enabled everything, your Windows. You have the latest updates. You also install the latest optional drivers. Click here, and here there's, if you have optional drivers, here you should see, download, the option to download and install. Make sure you download and install all the optional drivers. Also head over to GeForce Experience, and here install the drivers that you need as well. Check for updates. Also I'll have the Lenovo Vantage, and that's what I use to install all the bias drivers and your bias. So make sure you install everything. I'm saying, like, install every driver, update your computer. That's very important. If you already done that and you already installed all the drivers, what you need to do also to install, I know for a lot of people this solves problems for a lot of games. This method is universal. It's just to simply install Microsoft Visual C++, and once you install, you just from here click on here, install, and also make sure you have installed DirectX and user. Click on download and just install as well. Now if you don't have GeForce Experience, you can head over to this website, click on download and install. I'll leave the links in the description of this video. Also, you can run Steam as an administrator. Check this box, click on OK, and also increase your virtual memory. You can also go to custom here just for best performance, and only enable show smooth edges and also show timeless instead of icons. And also head over to the advanced and change. Click on advanced and change, and here we have to do this. Now is just to calculate this multiplied by the amount of RAM you have. If you have 60, right, there's over here 60. Just look online virtual memory and you should see other tutorials if there's something you don't understand. But it's just simple, just multiply by the amount of RAM you have, and right here the result. Click on OK, apply, and OK. And another thing that you should do is also to ensure that you don't have apps running in the background when you open the game. So if you have some apps running in the background you don't need, make sure you close all of them, and also click on the game, open the game or Steam, and just go to details, and here make sure you set Steam or the game to high, set priority to high. And that's the end of this video. I really hope, guys, this worked for you and now you can enjoy the game. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.